Hi, I'm Jeroen and I work with the products of and do implementations at Continia Software. We build finance automation solutions for Microsoft Business Central with a focus on solving real workflow gaps in the finance department. Continia will be participating in all 3 Days of Knowledge events, and at Days of Knowledge UK 2026 we're hosting a Sponsor Plus session called Finance Solution from Promise to Practice. Are we solving the right problems? This won't be a slide-heavy presentation. It's an open forum built for consultants and developers who are working hands-on with customers. In the first part, we'll dive into expense management. We'll talk through real implementation challenges, common questions from customers, and the technical considerations that can make or break a project. In the second part, we'll focus on Continia Finance. We'll discuss the workflow gaps we're addressing in Business Central and how this toolbox reduces keystrokes, errors made, and repetitive tasks. We'll also discuss how to position the solution and, just as importantly, where you think we should go next. The session is interactive by design, so please bring your questions, your challenges, and your honest feedback. If you work with finance processes in Business Central, these sessions are for you. I'm looking forward to seeing you there and to the discussions.